Alright, so this is after so much time, the second part of this huge ass box, but there's a lot of rails in here, a lot of tracks. You know, as you can see, it's pretty good size. I don't know when the third part is supposed to get here, but this is the, whoops, dagnabbit, now that I broke it. No, it's dirty. But this is the second piece of the caboose, of the train or whatever. Pretty straightforward. Got a power supply here, and wires. This big thing. Take a look at that. Pretty good. Some more tracks, but as my phone rings in the background. So all in all, not bad. I have no idea when the third installment is supposed to get here. I already paid for the full thing, but judging from how long it took for this one to come in, who knows? Could be at least a month from now or so. But yeah, this is good. And I'll see you guys later when I get the last piece and have it set up so that it can, do the whole train thing. Alright, peace.